just got a parts haul in. Figured I'd take you through the unboxing. This stuff come from Mini Sport. They had a sale on, so I bought a bunch of crap while they had the sale on. So let's unbox this stuff and go through it. I've already unboxed some of it, just to make it easier. But I'll let you guys see what I got. This one here literally just come in. The first and foremost thing I got was boxes. Figure out how to get this out of here. Okay. First thing I bought was this lovely boot floor. That's nice. Nice Heritage brand boot floor. Looks real good. I was afraid it might have got dented right there, but yeah. It's a whole damn back of a car right there. Slide this out of the way real quick. 4 boxes. Now I know what these are. Yeah. What we have here is outer sills. If you notice, there's 2 of them there. Because I did a stupid thing and made a mistake and actually ordered 2 of them. But these are the original outer sills. The original style outer sills for Mark I, Mark II. They're Magnum, I know, and they're garbage, but that's what they had available, so that's what I grabbed. I'm assuming by default these are going to be the other side. Yeah, same thing, double. I screwed up. That's the right side, left side. Outer sills. So I may have a set of outer sills if somebody in the United States needs a pair. And last but not least in this box, what appears to be a rear valance, maybe? Yep. Genuine rear valance, or valance as they call them. I will tell you with the Magnum panels, compared to the Genuine panels, the Genuine is far superior. You can tell just in the feel, it's a nice little scratch, it'll have to be worked out. But, yeah, it looks good. Looks good. Alrighty, that's all that's in that box. Now, this stuff here, I have already opened up. So, the only reason why I opened this up is because I tried to record this video last night and I messed the recording up. So that's the reason why this is already up. But First part we have is going to be the inner A arm for Mark I, Mark II. The reason I bought these, and I bought these in Magnum intentionally because you don't see these anyway. The reason I bought these is on my car, these brackets are all ate up and stuff. I didn't realize I had the closing panel on it, which is pretty cool. But I got two of those. Right there's the other one. Okay, these are the closing panels right and left for the rear lamps, which goes to that. So that's those right there. Heritage. What this is right here is the rear arch corners for a... These are actually Mark III, but because I couldn't find the Mark I, Mark II, but I think they'll work for a Mark I, II. Because all I really need is just this little part here anyway, because I have a little rust spot right here. But it's basically, right here's the wheel well that goes up into the wheel well. And that's basically replacing that. This is a right-hand side heel board repair section. As you can see here, this is where the subframe will go, the rear subframe. It goes basically like that. So that's what that is, genuine. Then I have one a right-hand side. I think this is the right-hand side. A-pillar. I'm guessing that the other one's back ordered. I haven't even looked at the packing slip yet, so I'm guessing the other one's back ordered. I'll do that as soon as we get done here. Then I have, this amazes me that these fit in this little ass box, but I got one wing. This would be the left-hand side wing. And then I have another wing, right-hand side wing. These are well made. So that's that box. Like I said, I tried to stick with genuine parts for the outside stuff, and then like the inside stuff, I was like, nobody's ever going to see it anyway, so I just went ahead with the Magnum stuff. And I had pretty confidence with the guy that's going to be painting my car. He's a welder by trade, so I think he can make stuff work and stuff like that, because some of the cars that he does come in there as rust buckets, and then he ends up basically doing wonders with them. So I think he shouldn't have no problems with the Magnum panels. Okay, so now the next box we got this right here is this is going to be the left-hand side window scuttle panel. And the reason I got this was right about here I have a little rust spot, and that was all I needed to repair the scuttle panel. Then right here I have new Mark I, Mark II door hinges. My catalog and my packing slip that you tend to get. This right here and this right here is the spare tire hold down for a Mark I, Mark II. Bolts to or it actually welds to the boot floor. That's that right there. Don't mind my hair, I just got off of work and I actually didn't realize I didn't have my hat on. Then we have Magnum panel restoration, as they call restoration quality floorboards. These feel like they got a little bit of like Cosmoline on them, but it comes with the floorboard and the inner seal. I don't really need the inner seal. My inner seals are in good shape. So I'm just going to let the body man kind of deal what he wants to deal with right there. And then just the same thing on the other side. All brand new floors. The only reason why I needed floors is because somebody had jacked up the floor at one point in time and put a big dent in it, and that's basically why the floors needed to be replaced. Other than that, if they wouldn't have been dented, they probably wouldn't have ever needed to be replaced. But that is my parts haul, man. That's the first of it. I'm hoping to have some progress on the car in the next coming weeks. Right now, I'm at a stopping point. I'm kind of waiting on the body man to kind of make his decision on when we need to bring it over and stuff. And he really hasn't even given me a price on what the body work's going to be. So I'm kind of still in that iffy point of like, if he's too expensive, do I need to find somebody else or whatnot? So I've not really touched anything on the car in the last couple of weeks just because I just don't have nothing at the moment to do. But we're getting somewhere with all these parts. But anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.